Nothing. How? I am on raw vegetables totally, so you all can live on raw vegetables comfortably without any problems. We can start with question answers now.
Sir, as you said, ear drops. Sir, how many drops?
What?
Ear drops.
4 to 5 drops in the ear is enough. But after half an hour you must clean it. Clean it with the earbud because onion drop is water. It may develop fungus if you don't clean it.
What type of onion? White onion?
Any onion. Any onion will do. There is no question of only white and pink over here, but in European countries you get purple.
For the eyes also?
Yeah, any.
Right here. Eye, ear. And for the rubbing.
All body pain, anywhere body pain you can give a rub. You can give a rub. You can apply on the hair every day if you want every day. You want twice a week, you can apply twice a week. Choice is yours. Of course, Godrej.
So, on the scalp is onion juice or grated onion?
Both will do, ma'am. Both will do. If you are using curry leaves with that or shoe flower, hibiscus with that, you will get faster results.
For the hair? All age group? Like we can apply this to all?
Give my... They can't hear.
All age group can be applied?
All in group what?
All age group.
All three together? Yeah, all three you can apply.
No, all the age group. All the age group, is it?
Any age group. Haji. આ વડલામાંથી અજયભાઈ બોલો. અજયભાઈ હમણાં હું એક ટોકમાં જ છું, બોલો. 2-3 times in a day.
My daughter, she is 10 years, she has...
Any age is not a problem.
And
I started putting at the age of 65.
wow.
No need. If you want to wash, you can wash it with rose water. Good rose water. Just keep on dropping the rose water, so whatever layers which are formed will be coming out. I know. I have said that conjunctivita is in a day. In one application it is gone, I think.
If patient has got cataract, he can apply.
Yes. Even after putting the lens, you can put onion juice because you are putting the medicines after the lens.
Any other combination for better results?
See, you don't like onion juice, I can give you moringa oil. Moringa oil with tulsi oil I've made specially for that reason. You get results within 2 minutes. If anybody is there with a pain at the present moment, after the result of the spot within 2 minutes. Moringa is drumstick. शेवगे का शेंग, मारवाड़ी रहेंगे तो शेकट फली.
What is the medicine for diabetes?
See, diabetes depending, keep it with you only. Diabetes, what sort of diabetes you are talking about? Are you on insulin? I will give you an example of both. The person who was on half tablet or 1 tablet of diabetic thing, he came to me with a reading of 430 and 670. 4 is fasting, result was 430 and after 670. थोड़ा चेयर आगे ले लो, you can join him.
it fine?
No problem.
Benches are there, come on the benches, come on the sofa. 430 and 670 said I is using one tablet. Ionate. I asked him first where the patient is. Is he hospitalized, in coma, ICU? Where is he? He said, no, I am the patient. So I was surprised with such kind of heavy results. It was surprising. Have you talked to your family physician? You talked with him also. In the meantime, I am giving you the remedy. I asked him to take 15 to 20 numbers of French beans. French beans is parasbi, what you use in pulao. Pansi. What you use in pulao to eat on empty stomach for 10 days. 15 to 20. Khari patta, 300 leaves, 50 into 6 times or 8 times a day. 50 leaves each time, 8 to 10 times a day. Sunday afternoon, that square block, dark block, has covered up over there, showing the effects and properties of curry leaves. Curry leaves is good for digestion, kidney, eye, premature graying of hair and falling of hair in children, obesity, diabetes, blood pressure, any kind of blood pressure, whether it is low or high, both will be controlled with curry leaves. It will not let it fluctuate.
Can we have it in raw form only?
Yeah, it is good if you have raw, or you can grind it to paste and of 300 leaves and make paste and with 6 parts and take every 2 hours 1 part with water. There is no problem.
Yeah, and you always say no milk and whey products. Can you explain why?
Levels are being brought down. This gentleman, 430 and 670, his name is mentioned in the book. He's got a factory in Ramchandar Lane Extension. Namji Bhai is the name. His sugar level, I told him to do the testing after 10 days. On the 11th day, he should test 5 units in the afternoon and 30 units in the evening. Even after this, his levels were around 200 sugar levels. I treated him in the same way: French beans, curry patta, and walk. I forgot the walk with the other. I suggest 1.25 hour walking, not 30 or 35 minutes.
Sir, for diabetes, neurologist doctors, naturopathy, any good sir?
Yeah, I'll come to that. Now, his insulin, I asked him to taper off when he starts with French beans for 10 days only in a month. 4 units. It took me almost a year and a half to get rid of his insulin, all 100 units. 4 units 3 times, but then alternate month. Now we are in July today 1st. If he starts on 1st July, French beans, then 1st September he has to do